Hello friends, welcome in RKG Biology tutorial. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about Kingdom Protista. We know Kingdom Monera given by Copeland, Kingdom Protista created by Ernest Haeckel, and Kingdom Mycota, that is fungi, created by R.H. Whitaker. So this is the second kingdom according to five kingdom system of classification. First one, that is the Monera, that have the unicellular prokaryotic simple organism. And in kingdom Protista, we keep the unicellular eukaryotic simple organism. Clear? So they are simple unicellular eukaryotic organism. Means they have well developed type of cell. Cell have the nucleus and all the membrane bounded cell organelle like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, ribosome, spherosome, centrosome, vacuole, all these present in the cell. So they have the well developed type of cell, that is the eukaryotic cell, that means eukaryotic organism, and they are unicellular, means their body made up of only one cell. And this kingdom Protista is the connecting link between the kingdom Monera and kingdom fungi, plantae and animalia. किंगडम मोनेरा और किंगडम प्लांटी फंजाई एनिमेलिया के बीच का कनेक्टिंग लिंक है किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा. क्लियर? क्योंकि किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा के जो मेंबर्स हैं वो फंजाई लाइक भी हैं, प्लांट लाइक भी हैं, एनिमल लाइक भी हैं, एंड दे आर आल्सो समव्हाट लाइक द मोनेरंस. सो दिस किंगडम Protista is the connecting link between kingdom Monera and kingdoms fungi, plantae and animalia. And the boundaries of this kingdom Protista is not well defined. Clear? See here, Protistans are mostly aquatic. ये water में रहते हैं और they are aerobic, means they oxidize the food in the presence of oxygen. They are aerobic in nature. Clear? So they are mostly aquatic and aerobic organisms, and their locomotion occurs by certain structures like the flagella, cilia, pseudopodia and metaboli. Flagella, in case of Euglena, Leishmania, movement locomotion takes place by flagella. In case of Paramecium, locomotion takes place by cilia. In case of amoeba, locomotion takes place by pseudopodia. And in some members, it takes place by the metaboli. Metaboli का मतलब है जो प्रोटोप्लाज्म है उसका क्या होता है, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड एक्सपेंशन होता है. तो प्रोटोप्लाज्म का रेगुलर रिदमिक contraction and expansion, due to which movement locomotion takes place, and that is the metaboli. So they have different type of locomotory organelles like the cilia, flagella, pseudopodia or metaboli. Now we see nutrition, mode of nutrition in protist. So they have different type of mode of nutrition. First, photosynthetic mode of nutrition, that means autotrophic mode of nutrition, like the dinoflagellates, desmids, euglena. So they show the photosynthetic type of mode of nutrition, means they are autotrophic. And autotrophic or photosynthetic means holophytic. What do we say? Holophytic. And next, that is the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, depend on another organism for their nourishment, nutrition, and that is the holozoic or holozoic or zootrophic or phagotrophic. So we can say holozoic or zootrophic or phagotrophic. That means like the amoeba and paramecium. They are the animal like protist and they show holozoic or zootrophic or phagotrophic mode of nutrition. That means intake of solid or liquid form of food. Their digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Clear? So that is the holozoic mode of nutrition. Photosynthetic like the green plant. Clear? And next saprophytic mode of nutrition, that means obtain its nourishment from dead and decaying organic matter. So that is the slim molds. Slim molds, they are the fungi like protist. So they show the fungi like mode of nutrition like the saprophytic nutrition. Some protists show the parasitic mode of nutrition like the plasmodium and trypanosoma. They cause the disease. Plasmodium, malaria parasite, cause the malaria. Nutrition may be mixotrophic. Mixotrophic nutrition means that is the in the presence of sunlight, photosynthetic, and in absence of sunlight, heterotrophic mode of nutrition, holozoic. So that is known as the mixotrophic mode of nutrition, and that is shown by the euglena. Euglena we know that is the connecting link between plant and animal. Animal और plant के बीच का क्या है? Connecting link है. In the presence of sunlight, they perform the photosynthesis like the green plants, and in absence of sunlight, they show the holozoic mode of nutrition like the animals. So euglena is the connecting link between plant and animal, and so the mixotrophic mode of nutrition. So there are different mode of nutrition like the photosynthetic or holophytic mode of nutrition in dinoflagellates, diatoms, euglena. Holozoic or zootrophic or phagotrophic mode of nutrition in case of amoeba and paramecium. Saprophytic mode of nutrition in slim molds. Parasitic mode of nutrition in plasmodium, trypanosoma. Mixotrophic mode of nutrition in euglena. So various type of mode of nutrition present in protist. Now we see reproduction. So mainly and mostly asexual reproduction takes place by fission or plasmotomy or incestation. Clear? So these are the various method of asexual reproduction. And sexual reproduction, that is the very primitive type, by the zygote formation or by conjugation process. Clear? So conjugation process, zygote formation, that is the sexual reproduction, and fission, plasmotomy, incestation, that is the asexual mode of reproduction. Now we see these protists, the members of kingdom Protista, divided into three main groups on the basis of nutrition. Nutrition के basis पे members of individuals of organisms of Protista kingdom three main group में divide किए जाते हैं. पहले को देखते हैं हम लोग photosynthetic protist. That means they can photosynthesis, they can make their own food. Photosynthetic protist है, इसलिए इनको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Protistan algae बोलते हैं. Algae, that is the plant. So here known as the Protistan algae. That means they are what? They are the plant-like protist because they perform the photosynthesis. Autotrophic mode of nutrition, producer. And these plant-like protists again divided into three groups. One is the chrysophytes. In chrysophytes, diatoms, golden algae, that is the desmids, these comes as an example. Second, dinoflagellates, noctiluca like. And third, that is euglenoids, that is the euglena come. Clear? So plant like protist divided into chrysophytes, dinoflagellates and euglenoids. Second, consumer decomposer protist. Consumer decomposer protist मतलब saprophytic protist जो saprophytic mode of nutrition शो करता है. That means they are the fungi like protist. कैसे है ये? Fungi like, fungus like protist है. जैसे कि slim molds. Clear? And the third category, animal like protist, that we say protozoan protist. एनिमल लाइक प्रोटिस्ट को क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोटोजोवन प्रोटिस्ट बोलते हैं. और प्रोटोजोवन प्रोटिस्ट एनिमल लाइक प्रोटिस्ट को 4 डिफरेंट ग्रुप में डिवाइड करते हैं. पहला है क्या? राइजोपोडा और सार्कोडिना. इसमें क्या आता है? अमीबा. क्लियर? मैस्टिगोफोरा और फ्लैजलेटा. इसमें क्या आता है? लेस्मानिया. लेस्मानिया डोनोवेनी. ठीक है, जिससे काला आजार होता है. और सिलिएटा. सिलिएटा में क्या आएगा? पैरामीसियम. सिलिया प्रेजेंट ऑल ओवर द बॉडी. सिलिएटा. एंड स्पोरोजोआ, that is the parasitic group, and that have the plasmodium. Clear? Malaria parasite. So these are the animal like protist: Rhizopoda, Mastigophora, Ciliata and Sporozoa. So protists divided into 3 main groups on the basis of their nourishment, nutrition. Clear? Link is given in the description for the notes. Please download. In next lecture, we will discuss about the kingdom Mycota, that is the fungi. I request to all of you, please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment the videos.